Hello, precious one. I'm getting ready to get into the service today. Today is our second Sunday of January, and it's a month of fasting and prayer. And I want to specially invite you to join me because today we are digging in the book of Luke and trying to look at some of the people that prayed in the book of Luke and how prayer really mattered to them. Don't forget, somebody said to John Wesley, don't you think that all the testimonies you share about answers to prayer are just coincidences? And John Wesley said, the coincidences would not have happened if I hadn't prayed. Precious one, if you don't pray, the coincidences, or what some people call luck, will not happen to you. May you join us as we pray this month, and your life will never be the same. Join me in the service. Invite your friends. Invite your relatives. Share the link. Let other people join in. And God will meet you at the point of your need. You will never be the same. See you soon.